Hey folks, the Roborock Saros 10 and Saros 10R are two high-end entries in Roborock's newly unveiled Saros series, both targeting users who want powerful, autonomous cleaning systems with minimal human intervention. At first glance, the two robot vacuum cleaners appear nearly identical, from design to price, but a closer look reveals meaningful differences in docking systems, mopping mechanics, navigation, and raw power. Both models retail for $1,599 and include advanced self-emptying, self-cleaning docking stations, making them fully autonomous in their daily operation. However, the Saros 10 ships with the more recent Roborock Ultra 2.0, while the Saros 10R is paired with the slightly older multifunctional dock 4.0. Though they seem similar at first, the Roborock Ultra 2.0 is more thoughtfully engineered. A push-to-open hinged flap gives users easier access to the detergent tank and bin bag, a small touch that improves day-to-day usability. Cleaning functionality also differs between the two docks. The Roborock Ultra 2.0 offers adjustable water temperatures ranging from 50 to 80 degrees Celsius for mopping, while the multifunctional dock 4.0 on the 10R sticks to a fixed 80 degrees Celsius wash. For drying, the Roborock Ultra 2.0 uses 60 degrees Celsius air to ensure a more hygienic finish that inhibits bacterial growth and odors. In terms of storage, both stations are evenly matched. They each feature dual 3-liter tanks for clean and dirty water, as well as a 2-liter dust bag that typically lasts around 2 months before replacement is needed. Both the Saros 10 and 10R share several features that place them among the most premium robot vacuums available. They each use Roborock's Duo Divide brush bar, a clever dual composition roller that channels hair toward the center to prevent tangles. They also feature a side sweeper for edge cleaning and are equipped with Adapt Lift technology, allowing them to raise their chassis by 10 mm and scale 4 cm thresholds. Ideal for moving between uneven flooring or climbing onto thick carpets. The differences become more pronounced in the mopping department. The Saros 10 uses a wide mopping bracket fitted with a microfiber cloth, while the Saros 10R utilizes dual spinning mops, a style more commonly seen in other flagship models like the Dream X 50 Ultra Complete. Roborock gives the Saros 10 the advantage of an 8 mm mop lift when carpet is detected, or when vacuuming only is preferred. This mop can also be detached and stored in the dock when not in use. The 10R, while still effective, lacks this level of flexibility. Navigation systems also separate the two. The Saros 10 features retractable LiDAR navigation, allowing it to clean efficiently even under low-clearance furniture. The Saros 10R, in contrast, is outfitted with the Starsight autonomous system, which is more akin to traditional object recognition and pathing systems. While both are effective, the Saros 10's retractable LiDAR offers added versatility and room mapping accuracy. Performance-wise, the Saros 10 has a clear upper hand. It delivers a remarkable 22,000 pascals of suction, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums currently available. The Saros 10R follows closely behind at 19,000 pascals, which is still among the highest in its class. In testing, both vacuums excelled at cleaning flour from hard floors and carpets in just 2 passes. Edge collection was also a standout for both units, thanks to their sweeping side brushes and powerful suction. However, the Saros 10 delivered marginally better results overall, particularly in stain removal when paired with its advanced mopping features and stain recognition algorithms. Both robots are compatible with the Roborock App, widely regarded as one of the most user-friendly platforms for robotic cleaners. Users can set up no-go zones, map their home, and adjust cleaning intensity manually. Exclusive to the Saros line are features such as extended edge cleaning, automatic remopping for stained areas, and smart furniture detection, giving users finer control over how each cleaning cycle is carried out. Ultimately, while both the Roborock Saros 10 and 10R are extremely capable, the Saros 10 emerges as the superior model. Its higher suction power, advanced and better designed docking station, more flexible mopping system, and superior navigation make it the better choice, especially given that it shares the same retail price as the Saros 10R. The 10R still stands as a powerful and well-rounded option, But for those looking to maximize value, performance, and convenience, the Saros 10 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this comparison? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.